Now tell me, what is it about the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel that makes it so different from previous cameras? And is it worth it for Galaxy S22 Ultra users to make the jump? The S23 Ultra has yet to be available. However, the 200 megapixel is said to have better low-light capabilities than its predecessor. Well, join us to know more as we discuss the upcoming Samsung S23 Ultra 200 megapixel main camera. Cool feature to watch. The 200 megapixel. On the back of the flagship Galaxy S23 Ultra that Samsung intends to release, there will be a significant primary camera sensor with a resolution of 200 megapixels. However, phones with such large sensors are not novel, as the Edge 30 Ultra already has a 200 megapixel camera, and Samsung has big plans for this camera. According to leaker Ice Universe's tweet, the 200 megapixel of Samsung S23 Ultra is too strong. It has unparalleled analytical power. It is stronger than all the 200 megapixel I have seen before.
A story like that's gotta be true.
The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's cameras have been praised for its 3x and 10x optical zoom capabilities, and we expect the same with the S23 Ultra. However, the image quality of the photos taken with these cameras will be much improved due to improved color reproduction and AI algorithms.
Take a picture.
There are further specifications that you should anticipate, and we will disclose some of them very soon, so stay tuned for that. 200 megapixel cool feature. It is believed that the 200 megapixel sensor performs very well in low light conditions, which makes it well suited for both video and still photography. The sensor of the S22 Ultra is capable of recording high definition video and still images with high quality. Again, per Ice Universe, it can be confirmed that S23 Ultra's night photos are very strong and much better than S22 Ultras. I think it's the biggest improvement of Samsung's flagship mobile phone in 5 years. As if that weren't enough exciting news for Samsung lovers, the future high-end device will also have an upgraded telephoto lens. If you're wondering how a camera with 200 million pixels can capture photos with a lower resolution, the answer is that most cameras utilize a technique called pixel binning. Simply said, it reduces the resolution of the sensor but increases the amount of light captured by the sensor, allowing for brighter photographs. Also, only a little news has surfaced about new video features, but we anticipate Samsung responding to a few of the features that competitors have introduced. It's possible that Samsung may provide its own version of the action mode used on the iPhone 14 Pro to stabilize video recording, or will introduce something similar to Google Cinematic Blur. It's much too soon to make any firm judgments on the quality of the pictures, so subscribe now to make sure you don't miss out on a hands-on video when we eventually post it. In light of the aforementioned, what should our expectations be for the S23 and the S23 Plus? We anticipate the primary camera to have the exact 108 megapixel resolution as the one seen on the S22 Ultra. However, the front selfie camera on the Galaxy S23 will have an increased resolution of 12 megapixels, an upgrade above the present resolution of 10 megapixels seen on the most recent versions of the Samsung Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus models. If this rumor turns out to be genuine, it indicates that Samsung will be upgrading the resolution of its front-facing camera on the Galaxy S23 for the first time in 3 years. Having said all of this, what will be the cost, and when can we expect to see it? Keep watching and we will let you know. Specs. The rumored Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra specs include a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Rear-facing quad cameras and a 5,000 mAh battery are also said to be part of the device's reported specifications. There will be a variety of hues available, including black, blue, and others. Ultra-wideband UWB compatibility, Bixby, Samsung DeX, Samsung Pay, and IPX8 waterproofing are some of the other features. Price and availability. So yes, there has been no price-related disclosures. However, we anticipate the phone will debut in early February of 2023, and we believe Samsung will price it similarly to its predecessor. If it follows the same pricing pattern as the Samsung Galaxy S22, we may anticipate an initial retail price of roughly $1,249. Those who are considering doing this should begin saving immediately. For the first time, a 200 megapixel sensor will be installed in a Samsung smartphone, and we literally cannot wait to experience the results. Besides the new 200 megapixel primary camera, how is the S23 Ultra different from the S22 Ultra? To find out, watch our video on Samsung S23 Ultra versus Galaxy S22 Ultra. All new changes.